My people, fire outbreak don't happen for Oshodi. To be specific, na Cairo market. If una see, fire. In fact, nothing where you feel say you dey go save from that place. Everywhere, everything just burn to ashes. And according to Mata wey reach me, they say the fire like 1 hour after the fire starts. They say they don't start the call fire service. Guess what? No, I dey sure say una already know. Our beloved people where they don't disappoint. And as usual, they did not come on time. And people, everything does burn to ashes. The one wey even shock me, when they come, two different cars. When they come, less than 15 minutes, the water finish. For a whole market, you dey bring half tank of water. Abeg, I bring a corner aside. May no be like saying me just dey open my mouth, they talk rubbish. Abeg, join me, make we watch the video.
Almost Cairo market. Cairo market. Oh God.
Cairo market, Oshodi, Lagos. Inside Oshodi, Lagos, Cairo market. Fire has been burning over 1 hour and they have called fire service and this is the time they are coming. Just look at them, they are coming now. Just look at them. Just look at them. The time they are coming. Fire have destroyed people's goods and this is the time fire service is coming. Fire is burning right away here live. Oshodi, Lagos, Nigeria, Cairo market, inside Cairo market. This is heavy fire. Have destroyed all people's goods. Have destroyed all people's goods inside this market, inside the complex, Cairo market.
Nigeria need to ask for forgiveness of sins. Nigeria need to ask for mercy. Una no understand. We need ask for mercy. These things, instead they do na like normal. Okay. The kind things where they happen now, he reach to ask for mercy. I don't know where we go ask him from, but may God just lead us. If no be fire, just in this 1 month, you know how many places don't burn. Not to talk of from beginning of the year. You know how many pains, losses, people just they lose people. If not be people they lose, now business. If not be business, now everything just. How this fire starts? No, now my question. How this fire starts, I won't know. Now I go come and tell me it is a mistake now, coincidence now. Now this is too much for coincidence. It's too much. This kind of fire when I watch. Coincidence. Coincidence, if you not the talk of coincidence, at least tell me say, okay, the fire starts from one person's shop when we manage to quench them. Una see the fire. This thing a plan work. I don't know, I know they mention it, but I beg now plan. This thing will be I'll get with your phone. I don't talk my own. Hey! Oh no. Imagine fire service arrive, not enough water, another wahala. Not enough water. Why? Light no day to pump water. Nigeria. Nigeria. I just hope say people no die. At least maybe saying I just even though they pay, may just be saying a properties just go. Maybe because I just they imagine the pain. Now people see to start business no easy. If you never try and you no go understand, to start business no easy. You feel lose money, you feel lose everything. Then imagine after you finally set up, this kind of thing can happen to person. No, I just want to make you think I'm small. When they want get money to go restock shops, to go they buy goods. Where? As this country be like this, where we they hear say slashing of salaries don't start. Where we they hear say no, where they won't get you know also the market for una wey know am una go understand wetin I dey talk about. It's just too much. The things wey dey happen too much. Now why they don't say we need to ask for forgiveness, my people? Nigeria have offended God. Nigeria have offended God. And it's not just me, it's not me and you are to talk about. They know themselves, those people in those seats, they have offended God. And as it be like this, you know, look like say person even they ready to change. Over 2,000 pastors are praying for this. Una they deceive yourself. You are all deceiving yourself. If you like, now my problem self be this one. As una they pray now, because una hear from God, they no go still obey. Maybe God go whisper to them, start treating your people nice. They no go obey. When they finish there, no bang. Everybody go. God, I beg God, deliver Nigeria. If not for anybody, for my sake. Yeah, so I don't know how you they pray. Me, I they pray. We need help. Nigeria needs help. If not, depression go enter. People go start to take their lives. And I know say it don't start already, but I beg, make God just help us so that I no go further than this one. I don't tire. Bad news too much. I have tired. You know they. Oh, amen. If you not talk amen, I go talk amen for the prayer myself. Yes, amen. My people, now be this. If you know say you they part of people will get shop for that side, see, from the bottom of my heart, I am really sorry. Sorry. No, this one no be joke. I know say my sorry no go give you money, but at least I won't make you understand say they feel una pain. Very, very important. And may God provide more. Triple. Amen. Yes, very, very important. My people waiting una thing. Start the dropper for that comment section. And yes, I want sincere opinion. No one they tell me who is at fault, who is not at fault. We need positive things so that these people, very, very important. You understand? I beg, don't forget dropper for that side. And yes, I want still know waiting who una think say go day here, because yes, una go soon get new person for this place. Make I give you a small tip now from the southeast states. Yes, anybody where you guess or you think say na the person dropping along that side. And don't forget to share this video. Make everybody know say also the market don't enter one chance. Very, very important. And yes, click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.